See, now remember that a strong acid remains strong even if it is diluted. A strong acid remains strong even if it is diluted. For example, take HCl. HCl is a strong acid. We have taken HCl as an example of strong acid. So I have given you list of strong acids. So if I take HCl, strong acid, then if it is in concentrated solution of HCl, if I take a concentrated solution of HCl, then the degree of ionization will be more than 30%. And even if I take dilute solution of HCl also, the degree of ionization will be more than 30%. If degree of ionization is more than 30%, then it is said to be strong acid. HCl is a strong acid. A strong acid remains strong even if it is diluted. That means if I take in concentrated form or else in dilute form, the HCl will always remain as strong acid only, and it always produces more number of H plus ions in the solution. So like this, a strong acid remains strong even if it is dilute. In the same way, a weak acid remains weak only. Okay, a weak acid remains weak only even in concentrated solution also. For example, take carbonic acid H2CO3. In the concentrated solution of H2CO3, the degree of dissociation is less than 30%. And even in dilute solution of H2CO3, the degree of dissociation or else degree of ionization is less than 30% only. As it is a weak acid, it always have alpha value less than 30%, even if it is in concentrated form or else even if it is in dilute form. Okay, see, concentrated form or dilute form, it gives the measure of amount of water only, but it does not give the measure of strength of acid. There is no relationship between the strength of acid and the concentration of acid. Okay, a strong acid remains strong even if it is dilute form. So that is the thing we need to understand. A weak acid always produces less number of H plus ions in the solution. Hence it is a weak acid. If number of H plus ions produced are less, then it is weak acid. If the number of H plus ions produced in the solution are more, then it is said to be strong acid. So like this, based on the concentration, the classification of acids may be done as concentrated acid and dilute acid. So these are the things we need to keep it in our mind. Okay, so that means there is no relationship between strength and concentration. So strength tells about the number of H plus ions in the solution, whereas concentration tells about the amount of water. If amount of water is more, then it is dilute solution. If amount of water is less, then it is said to be concentrated solution. Okay, so like that, the basic difference between strength and concentration also we have learned. Now finally, there is another classification, another type of classification of acids. So that is based on the molecular composition. So last type of classification of acids, the classification of acids on the basis of molecular concentration, molecular composition. And based on the molecular composition. So the acids are classified into two types based on the molecular composition. What are they? Binary acids. Binary acids. They are also called as hydracids. Hydracids. Okay. And ternary acids. Ternary acids. They are also called as oxyacids. So binary acids, ternary acids, or hydroacids, oxyacids. Okay, so in these acids you will find two elements mainly. What are they? One is hydrogen and another one is non-metal. So this non-metal should not be oxygen. That means except oxygen, any non-metal we may take. Except oxygen, so any non-metal we may take. For example, HCl, hydrogen and chlorine, H2S, hydrogen and sulfur. So this is not a non-metal. This is not oxygen. So these are non-metals. Okay, like this, etc. HF, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen fluoride, so etc. So it contains two elements only. Two elements. What are those two elements? One element is hydrogen and another element is non-metal. So one element is hydrogen and another element is non-metal. So such acids are said to be binary acids or hydroacids. Okay. Here ternary acids, they contain three elements, mainly three elements. What are they? Ternary acids contain three elements. What are they? Hydrogen plus any non-metal